And with that, this is our chance for our first question session. Has anybody got any burning ones? Mark, you've got your hand up.
Thanks, thanks, Mike. Just really touching on the setting up part. It's a reference to the club number. I think we used a Free Toast Host version. It's probably 8 or 9 years ago. Now I'm sure all the administrators are no longer around. How easy is it to get back into an old version?
Can I take a guess?
Is there an easy answer there?
Share my screen, because I'm not 100% sure, and Jane will correct me if I'm wrong. So, what's your club number?
1183434.
1183434. So, I go into share, and I open up a session in. Eventually, come on, Google, you can do it. 1183434, is that correct?
Yep.
Toastmasters clubs.org. If you've still got a site, it will show up. Now, what has happened here is that you would have had a site in an older version of Free Toast Host. This changed several years ago. So all you have to do, Jane.
2011.
Yeah.
This version came online. So if you're before that, it will be history.
Okay, cool. That means it's a clean slate. So that's fantastic. Thank you.
Yeah, they gave about 3 months from memory to change over, and those that didn't, it's a bit like Easy Speak. There was no point of contact between the two versions. But so if you want to set up a Free Toast Host site, yep, you just start from scratch. Now, if you've got a site, and let me see, I'll just go into a site at random, one I know about. This is the one for EcoCity. And as you'll see here, if you don't know who the site administrator is, you try and sign on as them and click here to change the site administrator. That's going to require someone who's set up on that site to confirm, yes, we want this person to be the new site administrator. But that's your starting point there. Hopefully that was helpful. So I'll stop the share. Any further questions?
Just to call on Mike. 2 things. So FTH longevity, it's going to be around for a while.
Probably as long as me.
All right.
As well as anybody knows these things.
All right, sounds cool. Hey, and Jane may have touched on it. Is there a staging area, or can we set up a dummy site just to have a play around and try and break it?
You can request a demonstration site, Jane.
Yes, we can set up demonstration sites, usually for 60 days, and then it blows itself into pixel dust.
No, that's cool. I just thought it'd be nice just to have a play around, and then if Easy Speak does cut off, then already used to.
You've got the familiarity. Yeah.
Cool. Thanks.